Hello, welcome to Mother Earth. In this video, we'll be making a rice dish known as paella, but this one has a special twist to it. It has calendula, aka pot marigold, or poor man's saffron. I got a 2-ounce bag of calendula from Etsy. I wanted to see if it's actually good in paella. This video is inspired by a recipe from Taste of Home. Saffron is commonly used in paella, but saffron is very expensive and hard to come by. It's been said to have a greens-like bitterness as well as a peppery tangy taste. And this is what we're trying to see about with this dish because I have never ate calendula before. Calendula got its name from the Latin word calendae, meaning first day of the month, because this plant can be found blooming at the beginning of most months of the year. If you ask me, this plant has the capability to remind somebody to pay their bills on time if it blooms on the first of the month. This plant is most known for treating skin. It can be turned into an ointment or salve, which will be in another video, that can treat skin wounds, eczema, and diaper rashes. It also has helped treat yeast infections and BV. I am not a doctor, the link will be provided. The poor man's saffron is a befitting name because a little goes a long way. I bought a 2-ounce bag for $8. After making paella and infused oil, the bag has hardly moved. If you ever ate yellow rice and was like, I don't know what it is about this rice, but it tastes so good, there's nothing really too much to it. It's just white rice with turmeric. You're welcome. This rice got boiled in chicken broth. And of course, if you add a bay leaf, always remember to take it out. You do not want to eat that. Once our vegetable mix is done cooking thoroughly, which contains peas, tomatoes, mushrooms, peppers, all that good stuff, it gets added in with the pot of rice. I know the previous video about the flour that tastes like meat would probably have some thinking that I'm vegan. I'm not. I'm just open to everything food. This is what the paella looks like after I add the vegetables and my protein, but this is what it looks like before I add the calendula. The calendula is supposed to add brightness to it, so let's see. does add brightness to it. It kind of looks like saffron when it's added to paella, except for it's orange and not red. But what does it taste like? Calendula passed the vibe check. It has a peppery flavor that enhances the turmeric and a tangy flavor that went well with the lemon juice at the end. It doesn't really have a bitter taste in my opinion, but it does taste vegetable-like. Would y'all try poor man's saffron? And as always, thanks for watching.